So the next part to talk about is the equation of a line. So for the equation of a line, we're going to start with what is a linear function. So a linear function is always of the form f of x equals mx plus b. M and b are just constants, so they're real numbers. So remember this notation, m and b are real numbers. The equation of a line that we're going to work with, now there are different equations that you could write, or different forms of the equation. We're going to stick with slope-intercept form. So the equation of a line is going to be y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to put a box around this because throughout the semester this is what we're going to use. We're always going to write our lines as y equals mx plus b. So m and b have special properties. M here is the slope, b is the y-intercept. So that's why this is called slope-intercept form, is because it has the slope and the y-intercept. So again, any line that we find the equation of, this is the form it's going to be. To find the equation of the line, you need to find two things. You need to find the slope, you need to find the y-intercept. Those are the only two things you need to find. So let's do some examples. Number one, let's find the equation of the line with slope -1/2 and y-intercept 0, -5. So as soon as you see a problem that says find the equation of the line, our answer is going to be of the form y equals mx plus b. First thing we need to find is m. So what is the slope? The problem gave you the slope. It said it's -1/2. Second thing you need to find is b. B is the y-intercept. Well, again, the problem gave you the y-intercept, so b is -5. So the answer to my question is y equals -1/2 x minus 5. So anytime you see a problem that says find the equation of the line, all we're going to be doing is finding m and finding b. Let's try a different example. So this will be example 2. Let's find the equation of the line with slope 3 containing the point 1, 6. So we're finding the equation of a line, so our answer is going to be of the form y equals mx plus b. Two things we need to find. First, we got to find our m. So in the problem, did they give you the slope? Yes, we said the slope was 3, so y equals 3. Next thing we need to find is b. In the problem, did they give you the y-intercept? Well, it didn't, but we can figure it out. So far to this point, we know that the line is y equals 3x plus b for some b. But we also know that 1, 6 is on this line. So that means when x is equal to 1, y better be equal to 6. So we can plug that in. 6 is 3 times 1 plus b, and just solve for b. So b is 3. That tells us that the equation of our line is 3x plus 3, because m was 3 and b was 3. Third example, let's find the equation of the line containing 1, 4 and -1, 0. So again, we're trying to find the equation of a line, so our answer has to be of the form y equals mx plus b. First thing we got to find is m. So how do you find the slope between two lines? We've done that before. That's the rise over run. So I'll say this is my second point, this will be my first point. So I'll do my y's first, so 0 minus 4 over x2 minus x1, so -1 minus 1. That gives me -4 over, well, let's see, -1 minus 1. That gives me -2, so I get a positive 2. So now I have my m. Next, I need to figure out what is my b. So does the problem give me my y-intercept? You might think it does, but this is an x-intercept. This is not a y-intercept. So far I have y is 2x plus b. To figure out b, I'm going to plug in one of my points. It doesn't matter which one you choose, you're going to get the same answer. Let's say I choose my first point, 1, 4. This says when x is 1, y has to be 4. So I get 4 is 2 times 1 plus b, which tells me that b is 2. So now I have m, I have b. So what's going to be my final answer? The equation of the line is 2x plus 2. This is just a coincidence that my m and b were the same thing. So find your m, find your b, plug those back in. Fourth one, let's find the equation of the horizontal line through the point, how about 2, 10? So the equation of a line, again, y equals mx plus b. Now I should say these are non-vertical lines. The equation of a non-vertical line is going to be y equals mx plus b. This is a horizontal line, so what is m? M has to be 0. Next, find b. Well, I don't have the y-intercept, but so far my equation is y equals 0x plus b, which is the same as y equals b. So in this point that I was given, the y-coordinate's 10, so my equation is y equals 10. Now I should say, any time you're given a horizontal line, it's always of the form y equals b. So a horizontal line is always of the form y equals b. Now let's talk about vertical lines. So we discussed what a vertical line looked like and that its slope was undefined. So a vertical line is always of the form x equals a. So a vertical line through the point 2, 10 is just x equals 2. So this is the only time it's not y equals mx plus b is a vertical line, and that's just x equals a number. So those are how you find the equation of a line.